Hi everyone, I'm Anthony Rotio and welcome back to Meet the Growth Agents. This is episode 3 where we'll be doing a deep dive into the Insights Agent. So let's get right into it. So first I'm going to say show me an insight about my campaigns that are currently running that can help me increase my engagement rate. And here what you'll see is the supervisor agent will reach out to the Insights Agent. The Insights Agent is a special agent that looks at the data that's connected in your data warehouse and tries to pull insights and glean insights from that data based on the request that you've made. So let's see what it just found. So here we have engaged prospects without conversion. This is a specific campaign name that I have running. Has a higher number of impressions but a low conversion rate. And it actually built a chart here for me where we can see the conversion rate on the y-axis and the campaigns across the x-axis. So the engaged prospects without conversion is this campaign here, and it has a 0.2 conversion rate, 0.2% conversion rate, which is not a very good conversion rate if you have familiarity with the metric for this business in particular. So the recommendation it's made is create an audience by layering engaged prospects without conversion on top of other audience definitions like geography or purchase history to improve conversion rates. All right, that's interesting, but today I don't actually want to tweak audiences. I'm more interested in maybe making some modifications to journeys or creating new journeys. So let's see how the Insights Agent works with other agents to actually build me assets that I can activate directly from GrowthLoop. So here I'm going to ask search for recent marketing learnings to further refine that insight for the media and entertainment industry. So say I'm in that industry. Then build 2 journeys to help increase my engagement rate. So here, the supervisor agent is going to look at this request, and it's a more complex request that has a couple of different parts to it. And here we can see that the supervisor recognized that and is first going to reach out to the search agent. So it's taking this recommendation from the Insights agent, and now it's going to combine it with web data that the search agent will pull specific to my industry. And once it has that, it'll show us what it found. So let's go ahead and give that a second here to build this report. So it went ahead and found some specific insights from 2023 in particular. And it's looking at some key marketing trends like independency of streaming, bundling, sustainable production models, and it's given us a couple of recommendations for journeys. And now immediately the journeys agent is going to go ahead and look at our connected data in the warehouse, look at our existing journeys that we have running, and build 2 journeys based on the insight from the insights data and the web search data that came back from the search agent. So now we have 2 journeys, engaged prospects conversion funnel journey and bundled streaming and social experience journey. So it's going to use these 2 different journeys recommended from the search agent. It has a strategy associated with each one, and it's going ahead and building those actually as an asset within GrowthLoop that we can use and activate. And again, this is something that I try to highlight in each of these episodes. Each individual agent is powerful, but when you combine those agents and the power of AI with your customer data in your data warehouse, that's when we start to get some really interesting results that we can activate to drive compounding growth for your organization. So now it's created these 2 journeys for us, engaged prospects conversion funnel and bundled streaming and social experience. And it shows us the reasoning of why it built these journeys. It shows us the channels that we should activate these journeys on, and it shows us the entry audience size for each of these journeys. So we could click on these and with a single click activate these out across these channels and publish this journey so that it's running. We'll get into the journeys agent in the next episode, so I hope you'll come back and check that one out. For now, leave a comment if you have a specific industry or use case that you want to see our growth agents applied to. And until then, we look forward to chatting with you. Let's apply compound marketing to grow your business together. Thanks.